Hey y'all, Marsai Martin here, CEO of Mari. And I've got a question for you. Have you ever gotten ready for a night out on the streets but feel like you're missing that final touch? Yeah! Or you're in the midst of a marriage proposal and realize your nubs were not in? Or if you're doing a twist out and your nail's the only thing that popped off. If you've experienced any of those issues, I hear you, and we got you. With our line of original press-on nails, we are here to solve you and your group chat's problem. So, if you will direct your attention to the following instructional video, you might just learn something. Let's go. Now, let's talk about how to properly take care of that mani. Application and removal of Mari press-on nails. I mean, it's best if you had a little bit of practice because me and my powerful team of lawyers ain't gonna be able to help you. And here's how you do it. Please pay close attention because the information in this video could save your night. You best believe I'm not about to release an instructional video that's gonna make a nail tech cringe. Trust me, applying your nails properly is one of the most important things you can do. We want your nails looking bomb as f***. Step 1. Make sure your hands are clean and that you're working on a fresh canvas. Use the provided alcohol pad to remove any oils from your natural nails. If you want to honor your nails in the most civilized manner, gently push back your cuticles with the provided wooden tool. Step 2. Just like deciding the right fit, take great care when selecting your Mari diamonds. You gotta make sure you're picking the right size. Place the press-on nail over your natural nail, making it fit corner to corner tighter than a beat from Insecure soundtrack. Step 3. Final application. I mean, we love options at Mari, so with us, you got 2 options. Adhesive stickers for a short fling, or our very own non-toxic Leaping Bunny certified glue for a real commitment. Option 1. Durable double-sided adhesive stickers. Start by measuring the right sticker for your nail by hovering them over each finger. Once selected, remove one from the sticker sheet and stick it to the back of the press-on nail. Remove the other side of the film and place the sticky side onto your nail. Option 2. Non-toxic glue. Apply a thin layer of glue to your natural nail and a drop to the back of the press-on nail. Hold each nail down with light pressure for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure they're firmly in place. Use this precious hold time on each nail to manifest something you really want, like securing the bag, securing those edges, or the path to enlightenment. Mess one up? Snag one off during a twist out? No problem, we got you, boo! We provide you with 24 nails in variety of sizes for backup. Now, it's time to show off that set. You wanna know one of the best parts of having long nails? It enhances the drama in your life. Look, I'm sure you're no stranger to sass signing, but if you haven't heard of it before, here's an example. As we come to the end of this informative video, we can't forget that nothing is meant to last, except my undying love for Beyonce. So let's focus on how to remove your Mari nails the right way. When properly applied, you can reuse your diamonds over 4 to 5 times, just as long as you care for them like you do your natural nails. Now, here's the best part about adhesive tabs. No chemicals needed. It's the gentlest application option for your nails, and they can be peeled off just like a sticker. Soak your hands in warm soapy water for 5 minutes. Push down at the tip of the press-on nail until it begins to lift. Remove the press-on nail and gently peel off the sticker tab from your natural nail. Sticker tabs are a single use. If you use the non-toxic glue, no drill bit necessary to remove these baddies. Slather your hands in any type of oil, coconut, jojoba, olive. Then you soak off your nails in warm soapy water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will help soften the glue. The press-on should fall off on its own, but if it needs a little extra support, use the wooden cuticle pusher tool to gently lift off the press-on nail. Once the press-on nail has been lifted off, delicately buff off any excess glue from your nails using the nail file provided. You want to reuse your Mari diamonds? Simply buff the glue off the back and reapply when you're ready for your next adventure. You gotta hydrate, honey. Add some lotion and oil after every removal because your fingers should be treated like the queen, king, or any royalty you are. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know to how to look your best in your Mari press-on nails. Y'all, this is something that I not only made for me, but all the people that I care about, and that includes you. We want you looking your best and feeling like the bad that you are. Y'all, this is the first of a long line of products, and thank you so much for joining me on this journey. And remember, buckle up, because we're just getting started.